In this video, I will show you how to make 3-point turn or turning in the road, or you can say U-turn, which is not part of driving test anymore, but it is important part of driving. So first thing, when you do 3-point turn, you should know the area is suitable for you to do 3-point turn. There should not be any road furniture on the footpath which you can hit when you are going reverse or forward either side. So I will prepare the car. I will check my surrounding. It's all clear. So now I will quickly full lock to the right and I will go maximum close to the curb. Like
you can make an idea by looking at the curb under your side mirror. If you are about to touch the curb, it may be slightly at different point in your car, as all cars are not same.
Here, so if I'll go more close, I can hit the curb. So now I will reverse, full lock left, check my surroundings, especially back, looking right, back, use mirror, can have a quick look to the camera. I need to judge how far I can go. So now I am about to hit the curb.
When reversing, you can also make a note of where curb is touching on your window. Again, it can be at different point in your car.
So I will stop here, bring it to drive, again look both sides, full lock right, and that's it. So that's how you can do 3-point turn. Please give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.